Welcome to Planet Technologies Tips and Tricks. In this edition, we look at how you can stay cyber safe. Use these top 3 tips for end users to keep yourself safe in the cyber world. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when you get hacked. You don't have to be the CEO to be a target. Hackers will go after anyone to get access to information which could easily lead to more sensitive information. When it happens to you, and it will, report it to your IT department immediately. It could be a text from somebody high up in the company requesting information immediately. It could also be an email with a link to something that must be checked within a tight time frame. Don't fall for it. Report it. Credentials. Your password should be long and complicated. Consider using a sentence that is easy for you to remember and substitute special characters and numbers for vowels. Instead of using your dog's name, try Rex is a really good dog. Capitalize each word. Replace the E's with 3's, the I's with exclamation points, A's with the @ symbol, and O's with zeros. Use a password management application if possible, and use multi-factor authentication, also referred to as MFA, wherever possible. Let's get physical with cybersecurity. Don't connect to a Wi-Fi unless you know it can be trusted. Use a VPN whenever possible. And lock your device if you're going to step away from it at home or in the office. And if you're out in public, take your device with you. Never leave it unattended. These 3 tips will help you stay cyber safe. Remember, getting hacked can happen to you, and when it does, don't fall for it. Report it. Make your passwords complicated and use a password management application. Protect your physical device by locking it and taking it with you when in a public space. Thanks for tuning in to this edition of Planet Technologies Tips and Tricks.